ডিগবৈত 1 কোটি টকাৰ প্ৰাইজ মানিৰে 25তম সাৰ্ফ মাষ্টাৰ্ছ গল্ফ প্ৰতিযোগিতা অনুষ্ঠিত।
That is really the sort of mystic experience it gives us. Even myself, I didn't come such early morning when we came yesterday.
দেশী বিদেশী খেলুৱৈৰ অংশগ্ৰহণ। ভাৰতীয় তেল নিগম অসম তেল সংমণ্ডলৰ উদ্যোগত ডিগবৈ গল্ফ লীগত 18 নৱেম্বৰৰ পৰা 21 নৱেম্বৰলৈ 25তম ইণ্ডিয়ান অইল সাৰ্ফ মাষ্টাৰ্ছ গল্ফ প্ৰতিযোগিতাখনি অনুষ্ঠিত হৈছে। মুঠ 1 কোটি টকাৰ প্ৰাইজ মনিৰে অনুষ্ঠিত প্ৰতিযোগিতাখনিত বহিৰাষ্ট্ৰ আমেৰিকা, চেক গণৰাজ্য, ইটালী, বাংলাদেশ, নেপাল, শ্ৰীলংকাৰ 17গৰাকী আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পেছাদাৰী খেলুৱৈক আদি কৰি ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ বিভিন্ন প্ৰান্তৰ সৰ্বমুঠ 124 গৰাকী পেছাদাৰী গল্ফ খেলুৱৈয়ে অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব বুলি এক সংবাদ মেলত নিগমৰ কাৰ্যবাহী সঞ্চালক তথা শোধনাগাৰ মুৰব্বী ৰাহুল প্ৰশান্তই সদৰি কৰে। এওডিৰ বিষয়া লিপিকা বৰুৱাই আধৰা সংবাদ মেলত ভাৰতীয় তেল নিগমৰ চিচি এণ্ড ব্ৰেণ্টিঙৰ কাৰ্যবাহী সঞ্চালক জন প্ৰসাদ, নিগমটোৰ শীৰ্ষ বিষয়া কাৰিকৰী বিভাগৰ মুখ্য মহাপ্ৰবন্ধকদ্বয় ধনজিৎ বৈশ্য, সূৰ্যদীপ দিহিঙীয়া, মহাপ্ৰবন্ধক অমৰ বৰগোহাঁই, PGTI সঞ্চালক সম্পথ চাৰি, খেলুৱৈ যুৱৰাজ সাদ্ৰু, তেজপ্ৰেন দেনেক আদি উপস্থিত থাকে।
It gives us. Even myself, I didn't come such.
So first of all, I would like to thank all media personnel present over here in the press meet. So as you know that we are celebrating the 25th edition of the golf tournament, Indian Oil Servo Golf Tournament, and it all started in 1999 at a very humble note, and now today I am proud to say that 126 golfers are participating in this tournament, and many of them, as you have seen, are from foreign countries also, and they are the top golfer players of the country and the world. It shows the commitment of Indian Oil for the development of the sports, promoting the sports, and it is all happening with the support of PGTI, and along with the collaboration of PGTI, we are able to organize such a wonderful event. This is another aspect also, that organizing such type of tournaments in the northeast of India will also definitely promote the golf in this region. As Sampath Chari is there, he mentioned that he expects professional golfers from northeast, and definitely it is going to happen once. I think I am sure of this. So we will continue improving upon this. The more players will be participating in that in future, and definitely it will be a great opportunity for northeast sports lover to watch this, and let us hope some professional top ranking golfer player will emerge from northeast of Assam. Thank you.
To me, as the tournament director and as people from all over the country come and take part in this professional event in Digboy, this Silver Jubilee year means a lot to us. It means a lot to us and to Indian Oil. And I must say that over the last 25 years, we've been working together closely as a team. It's been wonderful being associated with them. It's one of the longest standing events in the country now. And like Sir just said, we do hope, and I look forward to the day when we have a champion coming in from the SAM. For us, there are three important factors that contribute towards making golf a big success in these parts of the world. One is a very good sponsor. There's nobody better than Indian Oil, let me tell you that. So we have a fantastic sponsor with Indian Oil. The second one is a very good golf course, and this being one of the oldest golf courses in the country, it offers so many challenges to upgrade your skill. The golf course is very, very rewarding for people who wish to take the risk and reward option out. It's a wonderful venue, and I must also tell you that from the 126 people who are taking part in the event this week, we've got tremendous talent that's playing out here this week. So we've got talent, we've got a good sponsor, and a great golf course. We're going to have a wonderful tournament, and I look forward to your presence out here over the next 4 days to come and promote the event further, to take it up to a higher scale, a much higher level, and I'm sure one day we will have a champion emerging from Digboy.
It is indeed an honor to stand here and speak to all of you on behalf of Indian Oil. Digboy is indeed blessed to have an excellent golf course like the Digboy Golf Club here. In fact, this is one place in India today where there are plenty of opportunities and facilities available to the local people to learn the game and excel in it. So like my colleagues just mentioned, I'm sure with the academy also being opened up and all facilities available here, we can look forward to improve and bring out a lot of talent from Northeast and Assam in particular, and hopefully we can see some of them playing at the very highest level. And I wish this tournament and the people of Assam all the very best. Thank you.
Bureau Report, B+, NE.